Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, it's going to be a great day in a knife shop. Which it already is a great day in a knife shop, and there's maybe 3 reasons. One, I got me a good cup of coffee in my King Cutter brand coffee mug that I got from Dirt Road Dreams. Miss Rebecca, my cousin, Dirt Road Dreams Mercantile. Y'all check her out. But also, I'm surrounded by a bunch of knives and a bunch of Zippos in here and stuff all over the wall that I absolutely love. So it's already a great day. But what's going to make it even a better day is, guys, I'm going to just have fun cleaning this 80T Old Timer large Stockman up. It's in great shape to be as dirty as it is. The blades are full, but you see how dirty the blades are. Got rust on them, but we're going to hit that with a fiber wheel. And then we're also going to clean up down in there. See the rust and grime and dirt down in there. So all that's going to be looking good. This knife's going to look new when I'm done, guys. It's just going to be an amazing piece. I'm probably going to carry it too. But look here. This blade has snap, which is going to be a lot better once we clean and oil it. But these blades have no snap, see? See there? But what gives me hope, guys, and anytime you pick up a knife in a pawn shop that don't have snap, open them up about like that, see, on both sides. But what's a telltale sign that we should get snap back is them springs are raised, see here, on both sides. So that gives me hope that we're going to get snap back, and we should. About 95% of the time when you see that, you're going to have some type of snap back. So can't wait to clean it up. But guys, the Old Timer brand is my favorite of Schrade. I like the Uncle Henry, but to me, these knives were made for work, while the Uncle Henry brand is made for show, because you got them Staglon handles. But these here have been are just a solid handle on the sides, and you very seldom see these broken or messed up like that. But they just seem to me, the Old Timer brand just seems to be a better knife to me than the Uncle Henry, because a lot of the Uncle Henry that I've found, the pocket knives especially, them Swindon keys that hold the sides on, they break or they get loose, and the handles on the side tend to want to be loose. But I've never come across a handle on an Old Timer that's broken or loose like the Uncle Henry brand. But again, that's my personal opinion. But I just love the Old Timer. It's just made for work, guys. It really is, in my humble opinion. Anyway, we fixing to go over there and clean this knife up. It's just going to be an awesome knife when I'm done. And I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. And I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, here is the 80T Schrade Old Timer up close. You see the blades here. It's got a little broken tip. We're going to come down a little bit, and we're going to give it a new edge up through there. It should have a nice new point. But there it is right there, 80T. This is a large Stockman. Workhorse right here is what it is. But you got your sheep foot blade, your spay blade, and your clip blade. And you see the inside here, how nasty it is. But what I like about a 3-blade knife, guys, is you can get your wire brush down there real good. Still can't get up in them corners, but we're going to use a screwdriver here to get up in them corners, and some sandpaper. But we're going to use a wire brush on the handles here. It's just going to be an awesome piece, especially once I get it cleaned up, shined up. Then we're going to come back and put Mama's Outback leather wax on the Delrin handles. They're going to look so refreshed and new. This is going to be a great knife, guys. Great knife. We got a little bit of a belly right here, but that'll come out once I give it a new edge up through there. Beautiful knife. But we're fixing to take this over there on a fiber wheel and clean it up. Hoorah. Okay guys, I got it all good and clean. We're gonna get it even better now. We're fixing to get the screwdriver here and get down there where the wire brush can't, but you see how good the wire brush got it. We're gonna scrape underneath the blades. Hope we're gonna get some snap back from them other two blades when we get done here. This is really a classic of a knife, guys. This is the big brother of the, probably the most bought Stockman ever, the 34OT. The 34OT was just a classic knife that a lot of people used to carry. Probably still do. They were just well made, and they people used them a lot. Looks pretty good. We're gonna see if we're gonna get snap back right here. We're just gonna put a little bit of oil down here. Go back here. Go ahead and shoot some right here too. We knew that one was gonna have snap. You hear that snap? Listen to this. Oh. That one ain't gonna have much of a snap unless it cleans, unless it loosens up in there. It's trying. Wow. Hit it one more time. It's definitely trying. It's got snap. Just going to continue to work on that. I know this main blade got pretty good snap. That's what we were shooting for, all three blades. This one don't have much of a snap, but it does have it. All right. And we're gonna wipe it down and get the blades repaired, and we'll be done. Okay guys, first thing we're gonna do is repair that broken tip right here. We're going to come down some and give it a nice edge. It should form that point again. guys, we just fitting to hit it with some never dull and some flits. I'm actually gonna use, we'll get us a new piece.
I'm the knife doctor on the road, saving old blades, so many stories told. USA made, fixing those springs, handles repaired, they shine and they sing. Flea markets, pawn shops, antique stores, searching for treasure, always room for more. With Wade and Eric, Lamar and Glenn, we talk and trade where the stories never end. From rusty tanks to polished gleams, we bring them back, fulfill their dreams. Latest forged in the heartland, USA pride, we're the knife doctors, can't be denied.
Okay guys, here is the Schrade Old Timer 80T. Look at them bolsters. Ain't that cool? Back springs. I love that long pull. That is right there. Somebody had wonked up the blades a little bit. That one's wonked up some, but I gave it a nice new edge. You'd have to go way up there to straighten that out. I just ain't gonna do that. Sometimes you just gotta let an old knife be an old knife, but it's doggone pretty sharp, and I gave it a nice new point. See there? Ain't that cool? There it is right there, the 80T large Stockman. You got this blade right here. See the patina on the blades? And you got the spade blade. See, they want that side up here too, but I gave it a nice new edge up through there. Pretty cool, ain't it? See, there we go. All three blades have snap. That's what I was shooting for. Here. Ain't that beautiful? Good and clean now, guys. Hoorah. Cleaned up good. That bolster keep getting them smudge marks on it. I'm actually going to be carrying this knife now for a while. Beautiful, ain't it? Guys, you just don't know how much I love this stuff. Nice knife, man. Good patina on the blades. Good stuff, y'all. Hoorah. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Guys, I cannot stress enough how much I love to do this stuff here. Just clean it up and make it look like an awesome knife. Beautiful piece now. I'm going to be carrying this thing for about a week. There's the sheep foot blade right there. Good patina on the blades too. I love it. I love the way that fiber wheel gets the surface grime off of it, but it leaves the patina. And you can grind on it as much as you want to, but I grind enough where the grime and the dirt on the blades come off, but it still leaves the patina, especially in that old carbon steel. I love it. I really do. There's the back springs, just as pretty as it can be. But guys, did you know that the Old Timer line was started in 1959? How about that? And the Senior Stockman, that's what it's called, was first produced in 1959. So it was one of the original old timers. That is very, very cool. But just an awesome classic of a knife. It really is. I love it. But it's called the Senior Stockman. There it is right there. Long pull right there. I love it. Sure do. And guys, guess what I'm carrying today? It ain't as bad as on the pocket as I thought it would be. Look at that bad boy. Ain't that cool? I've been carrying it all day. Been fidgeting with it too as well. But this thing is razor sharp. That thing is just as smooth as glass. Love it. Anyway, I just want to share that. But I am carrying it, and it ain't as bad on the pocket as I thought it would be, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. And I just want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp. This one here is Americana hen. They lay the blue eggs. She's pretty, ain't she? I have 5 of these. Okay, let's see how many eggs we got today. Oh, there's 3 pretty ones. Let's see. Oh, there's 6, 7. See, these are the blue eggs. That's what the Americana lays. Brown eggs, what the Rhode Island Red and the chocolate, the Orpington. That's what they lay.